Hello, welcome back to Sapa Diaries. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. Here's a short video of a beautiful bike ride to Lovedale near Ooty from Bangalore with my friend Arpit. Hope you will enjoy the video. We started our journey from Bangalore around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and the route that we followed was through Bandepur, Masinagudi 36 Hairpin Bend, and then reach Lovedale in Ooty. We stayed at a friend's camping site called Hideaway, a very beautiful place, and it literally means as per its name. The contact details are mentioned in the description and the comment section, and also in the video. After taking some rest, we went to Lovedale Station. It's a historic station built in 1908 and is declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. A very beautiful station, looks exactly a replica of a cartoon image being painted on a paper. After the Lovedale station, we left towards Kunur to see the haunted cemetery, but we couldn't go further. There was some problem in that area and we were all alone in that area, so we decided it's better we don't go there. While way back to Hideaway, we stopped at a bakery which is one of the oldest bakeries in India, called Crown Bakery. It was established in the year 1880 and is very famous for its honey cakes. We ate some in the bakery itself and took parcel to eat more in the Hideaway. After so many memories being created, which we will never forget in our lifetime, we left for Bangalore via Mysore. Until date, we recall this bike trip as one of the best trips of our lives. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share Sapper Diaries, and watch out the space for more videos coming soon. Take care. Bye for now.